What I will say is my hair is extremely soft, and by the way, it's the next day, so I slept in my deep conditioning treatment from the Natural Oil Club, and yeah, it's extremely easy to comb through. Like when I was taking them down and me brushing my hair before I washed it, detangling it, making sure like all that shed hair from 6 weeks of it being in a protective style was getting out of my head before I put water on it. So that definitely helped a lot. And I didn't show the shedding that I got, but it was normal in my opinion. After having my hair in braids for 6 weeks, that's a long time. So, but yeah, I'm really liking this deep conditioner. Jubilee is, honey, yes ma'am, wow. TWA, yes, 1 year later, this time last year, your girl was bald-headed, didn't have no hair on her head, looking like a little boy. I mean, that really didn't change, but now I'm a little boy with a fro. So, being a 4C girl, I like to do the LCO method, which is a liquid leave-in cream oil. But first, I do like to start off with a lighter oil, coating my hair with a lighter oil, just because like having type 4 hair, my hair tends to be dry. Like it just sucks up all the moisture. And I'm about to do flat twist and put it in a wig for at least a week or so. So I just want to make sure my hair is moisturized and protected. So first I'm going to take this grapeseed oil, which is a lighter oil, just to coat my hair. And I'm very generous. Remember, we're just coating it right now. Make sure you get those edges. Okay, so I'm back. I do not know how this party looks, but you know, I tried. I really did. As my liquid / leave-in, I'm going to go ahead and stick with the Natural Oil Club, and I'm going to use this Thirst Quenching Avocado Hair Moisturizer. It smells heavenly. Take this by Kera. I'm really not sure what product this is, but I know that it's a cream. So this is going to be my cream that I use. And this is a lot thicker, if you can tell. Like, thick. And these are gonna be just slightly smaller. You see, this is healthy hair. When your coils, when the end of your hair looks like that, do you see that? Do you see that? That's healthy hair. So admittedly, I kind of got a little lazy and I have stuff to do today, so I can't spend too much time on my hair. But yeah, these are the flat twists that are coming to the front. Some of them are thicker than others, but it's all good. For oil today, I'm using castor oil, and I like to put it all over my head. And you don't need much. I need to put this all over. Just to seal all that stuff in. This is the LCO. And then I take the excess that's already on my hands, on my fingers, and I put it around my edges because they're a little weak and sparse right now, so yeah. Good morning. Okay, so today is day 5 of me having my flat twist in. As you can see, I have had my wig cap on for all 5 days except for one. I did go to bed 2 days ago without it on because I almost slightly was giving me a headache, you know what I mean? But yesterday I did coat my scalp with this oil, the Alpha Growth Oil. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel these, and to do so, I'm gonna take just a smidget of this and coat my hands, my fingers, and also take my rings off because you don't want to snag your hair with your rings. About that much, and that's probably still too much because this stuff is very moisturizing. But yeah, so I'm just gonna like literally my fingers, and I'm gonna start by that, and I'll start in the back. Okay, I'm back. Who check out these lashes? They are called Make Me Out by Pretty Girls Wear Minks on Instagram. I'll have their information above me. But I wanted to come on here and like just talk about my results a little bit. So for me, it's not always, most of the time it's not about definition. Definition is cool for me, but I just like moisture and I like big hair. So it looks better in person. Like, I wish y'all could see it in person. But I like big hair, so my hair is extremely soft right now. It's extremely moisturized. Honestly, I don't need to moisturize it again until after I have another wash day. So yeah, and I might put it up, like use a shoestring, and maybe I'll film a little video. Follow me on Instagram so you can see that, and put it on my story. It's been a full year. The last haircut that I got was in January of 2020. So yeah, my hair is definitely growing a lot faster than the first time I had my big chop. And I definitely attribute that to my diet and just like my overall routine. I try to leave my hair alone a lot more this go round. So yeah, I'm very pleased. I'm very happy, and I love it. So I will see y'all in the next one. I hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and just look forward to more. Bye.